আচ্ছা, কথাটা শোনা যাচ্ছে না। সবাইকে নমস্কার। আমার খুবই ভালো লাগছে, আপনাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ, সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। হ্যাঁ, ওকে, ধন্যবাদ।
I feel happy, very happy, because I didn't think it would be ever possible for me to come back to Kolkata. But, Osman Mollik from Secular Mission Trust actually made it possible. I really thank him because he invited me and he took initiative to arrange security for me so that I could come back. So I came back. Yeah, I couldn't come to Kolkata because I didn't get security and I didn't get any support from other governments, but this government actually provided me with security so that I could come back. So I think that it will be very good if I could come back now and then, and during book fair and during lit fests. Freedom of expression is very important for democracy. Without freedom of expression, there is no democracy. So India is a democratic country. I think that that freedom of speech must be restored, and no writer or no artists should be thrown out of their country because of their different opinions, because of their different ideas. So I think that it's very important. So I came back, and I hope that other writers and artists could enjoy their freedom of speech.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.